Hey there, it's Brittany, and it is one of my favorite days of the month. It is the Bargain Bead Box unboxing. So it came in the mail today. We have the Bargain Bead Box Winter Wonderland. Chili blue and icy crystal combined for an elegant winter collection. Genuine quartz is our centerpiece with rough natural points reminiscent of icicles and a strand of pale ice blue graduated rounds. Other highlights include sparkling cut glass snowflakes, snowy howlite, and wintry crystal accents. Antique silver findings add the final touch. As with every month for Bargain Bead Box, you also get a 30% off coupon if you're a subscriber. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can use the code Turquoise for $2 off of your first box at the link below. That is an affiliate link. And let's get going. I'm going to put everything in order and then we'll take a look. I'm excited. Okay, as they do every month, everything came in this cute little organza bag. Number one is a 4-piece 25 by 22 millimeter snowflake link, lead and cadmium free. These are cute. We'll definitely have to make something with these during my 25 days of Christmas. We're on day 10. I haven't made anything yet, so maybe I'll make something with these. Those are really cute. I haven't seen those before. Number two is a 1 meter strand or piece of 6.5 by 2.5 millimeter steel I don't know how to say this. Lumachina chain, nickel free. Oh, never seen that word, but I've seen this chain before. I used to make a necklace that used this chain when I sold on Etsy. Number three is a 48 millimeter cutout round winter focal, lead and cadmium free. It's kind of concerning that it's not nickel free. A lot of people have allergies to nickel free, so that's surprising to me. This is really cute though. It's really pretty. And I haven't seen that before either. Hopefully it doesn't tarnish. I like that. Maybe I'll paint it. Number four is a 7-inch strand of 6 millimeter natural quartz crystal round beads. Very nice. Those are lovely. I love them. And they look kind of like glass, but you can see they're quartz by the inclusions in there, and they're a little bit heavier than you would expect glass to be. Those are really pretty. Number five is a 40-piece lacy 6-petal bead cap, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Those are cute. Very cute. Good way to add some shine to a bracelet or a necklace. Number six is a 10-piece strand of 10 millimeter matte natural howlite round beads. These are pretty. I like that they're matte. I don't think I have any of these anywhere. I don't know if I have any matte howlite. It's really pretty. I love those. Number seven is a 10-gram bag of 8 by 5 by 9 by 5 millimeter snowflake beads, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. And I have these. I don't know if I've gotten them in a past box or if I've just bought them from their website before, but I have them in a couple colors. Very cute beads though. And they definitely go with the theme. I'm definitely liking this month's box way better than last month's box. So number 8 was a 7-inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeter crystal rondelle beads in matte ice blue. Very nice. Just a nice like gray blue. Number 9 is an 18 millimeter cut glass crystal snowflake pendant, Bermuda blue. That is so pretty. I love that. Gorgeous. It's just like kind of mesmerizing. That blue is so pretty. Oop. Number 10 is a matching set, 2-piece 14 millimeter cut glass crystal snowflake pendants in Bermuda blue. So just a little bit smaller, and you can use the other side if you want it, but that blue is just so gorgeous. Maybe we're gonna have to use some of these in one of the 25 days of Christmas tutorials. Great box for this time of year, that's for sure. And it's not Christmassy, it's just wintry. I like that, but you can use it for both. Number 11 is a 2-piece 17 by 23 millimeter Snowflake cutout chandelier, lead and cadmium free. I don't know that I would automatically think that's a snowflake if they didn't tell me. I think it's just a design, but I mean, I can see the snowflake, but I think if it wasn't winter, I would just make an earring with it. And it's weird because they're like the cutouts still have the metal in them. You see that? So, cute though. Number 12, we have 3-piece electroplated natural rough quartz points. Size and shape will vary. I love these things. These are really pretty. Love the AB. Number 13, the Bicones made it into this one. 15-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal Bicone beads, metallic blue iris. I know I have these somewhere. Number 14, 16-inch strand, 6 by 4 millimeter crystal Rollelle beads, steel blue, metallic iris. I love these. Those are really pretty. I love that metallic iris is what they're calling it. Those are gorgeous. And I love that steel blue. Yummy. And I'm wearing my day 9 bracelets, 2 of them. Aren't those cute? Check out that tutorial if you haven't seen it yet. Number 15, we have a 5-piece 12 millimeter half matte crystal coin beads, pale steel blue shimmer. Beautiful. I've always loved these, and several companies are putting these out right now, so I'm happy to have more in my stash. Number 16 is a 20-piece 6 millimeter crystal coin beads, slate blue green iris. I like these too. It's a cool shape. I'm liking that. Yes, they're putting a lot of glass in here, but it's a bead box, and we're getting beads this time, way more than we have been getting. And I like that a lot of them are different shapes. So it's not just the traditional rondelle or the bicone. I'm liking the different shapes and types. So this box is pretty nice. And then that was number 16. So number 17, we have 10 grams, 5x2 millimeter smooth rondelle spacer beads, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Those are cool. I really like those. I don't have any spacers that look like those, and those will probably get used up right away. And if they don't tarnish, which I don't have high hopes, but if they don't tarnish quickly, I should say, maybe I'll buy more. Hopefully they will have them on their site in this color, or even gold, bronze, or copper. Number 18, 2-piece 38 by 9 millimeter Swirl Links, lead free. Those are kind of cool. Looks like a cursive L, maybe T or an I. That's kind of cool. You can use them as connectors and a necklace or something. And then 19, we have 2 sets 20 by 5 millimeter brass swirl toggle clasps, silver finish. These are pretty. Another thing you could do with just the toggle part, or not the toggle part, but the loop part, is use it as a charm holder. That's cool. And then last but not least, we have approximately 17-inch strand, 6 to 14 millimeter ice blue quartz dyed graduated rounds. So this is graduated, and it's so pretty. This would just be a pretty necklace. All you have to do is slap a clasp on it. This is really pretty. I like dyed quartz. If you're just getting into buying stone beads, maybe you're kind of heading towards that. Dyed quartz is a economical way to get into it, and they're really pretty, and you can get them in pretty much any color. So these are gorgeous. I liked this box. My favorite items: this strand, surprisingly, these spacer beads. The pendant. And, oh, the larger snowflake. I don't know. Here it is. So I had a lot of fun going through this one. I think it's a fantastic box for this part of the year, and I think they hit a home run this time. So again, if you're interested in subscribing, if you haven't already, or if you want to resubscribe, you can use the link below, and then coupon code Turquoise for $2 off your first order. Let me know what you thought. What was your favorite item? What are you looking forward to making with yours? And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. We will for sure see some of this in the rest of, I have 15 days left of my challenge, so we're going to see some of this in there. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Somebody wants dinner, and she's being super dramatic. Yes, I know. I'm not going to say the H word because I know you're H-U-N-G-R-Y. Such a drama queen. Goldie, we love you. Yeah, we do. We love you so much. Hi, baby.